is forecast. Where? Brandywine Creek at Chadds Ford. When? From this evening to tomorrow afternoon. Impacts: at 8.0 feet, open adjacent land next to the creek floods. At 10.0 feet, the intersections of Creek Road and Route 926 near Pockeson floods upstream of Chadds Ford. Additional details: at 9:30 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 7.3 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 10.2 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 10.3 feet on December 28, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/safety/